Hey, I'm Joel, and this week I'd like to showcase one of our projects in Pukekohe that we completed last year, which is a wastewater pump station for 78 lots. The client approached us through the engineers as they required a wastewater pumping station for a new housing development in Pukekohe. The pump station was designed by our internal team of engineers, and we provided a specification and drawings for them to include in their consent approval. The pump station ended up being 2.5 metres diameter by 5.95 metres deep and included 3 kilowatt submersible Rowles pumps, 80mm stainless steel pipework, RPZ backflow preventer valve and a water care controller and telemetry system. The pump station was completely built up and assembled off-site, ready for installation by the main contractor, and was overseen by our team. Once completed, we commissioned the turnkey package and handed over to the client as a fully working system. This included the functional description, P&I diagrams and a comprehensive O&M manual. Thanks for watching. Please get in touch with us for any pump station projects you have coming up in the future.